Okay, so 2 questions. Bex's question was, is it good when you start Etsy to make things quite cheap to get some reviews to boost your Etsy shop? I think that pricing Etsy listings very cheaply is actually OP. There's a reason. If you look at my Etsy shop, everything is priced quite low, right? And the reason being, right, there's a lot of people on Etsy selling art. There's a lot of people on Etsy selling Twitch emotes. How can you stand out among other sellers? 1, your art is better, or in a more unique style. Like, everyone has a different art style. I wouldn't say like one style is better than the other. Some people just like a more kawaii style. Some people like a more like edgy style. Some people like a more like clean cuts, like esports aesthetic, which is how they have like esports logos have their like own aesthetic, and some people like their emos to look like that. So there's a lot of different styles, and different people will like different styles. You won't have an art style that appeals to everyone, and that's fine. It's literally just how life works. But you could, one way is to be better at doing a specific art style than somebody else. Another way too is your pricing. If you're cheaper than other people, or third, you have like a really good customer service and stuff like that. So for me, I think I do a really good job at the cutesy kawaii emote style. Like, I've already been making emotes for like 3 years, so I've got this down to like a T. But I think the reason why I get so many sales is because my art is good and I price my art so low. Now, a lot of people always say, and this whole thing about, hey, you should not price your art low because, artists need money, da 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 da. Completely true. Like, I definitely think as an artist myself that we are underpaid way too much, and I hate the culture of underpaying artists. I think it's not fair. Now, that being said though, with something like Etsy, where you're selling a pre-made thing that multiple people can buy, like 1 million people can buy this emote if they wanted to, right? There is no limit on the amount of people that can purchase it. So when there is no limit to the amount of people that can purchase an item, if you price your item low, then you'll get more sales, which means overall you'll make more money. I guarantee you, let me go over my best-selling emote, which is this frog booty emote, okay? If I price this emote at $10, and by the way, if you were to commission me to make this emote, it would cost you $60. Because it's a commission item, only you get it. So I can't resell that item over and over again, only you get it. So that's why it's priced so high. But because many people can buy this emote, I price it really low for the amount of time. Like, this emote probably took me like 3 hours to make. So probably 2 to 3. But for the amount of time that it took me, I priced it really low. But that means that a lot of people would purchase this emote. So overall, I'd make more money. I'm sorry, I'm not reading chat for a little bit just so I can go into this spiel, but let me show you how much money I've made off this one emote. I can go find it in my stats. My best-selling emote was this twerking frog emote. All right. There was 280 orders. I made $1,259 from this one emote. Revenue. This is not counting like revenue? No. Revenue does not count like the fees and stuff that this incurred. So it's less than this, but still, like even with the fees and whatever, I probably pocketed a little bit over $1,000 on this one emote. And it's because I priced it so low. There's a sweet spot within pricing.